Hello everyone, myself Pradeep Palkar working as a system professor in the Department of Instrumentation Engineering, AISSMS IIT Pune. So in this video, we have to discuss project initiation and finance management. These are the what are the methods and techniques of early estimate, and these are the content important of early estimate working process. These all contents cover in previous lecture. Now, the important of early estimate already discussed in previous session, the timely decision making, cost control, right? Now, in this video, we have to discuss about the methods and techniques of early estimate. As an early estimate is a preliminary cost and effort estimation prepared at the initial stage of project when detailed design information is not yet available. It helps manage to decide the project flexibility, allocated initial budget, compare alternative solution, take go and no go decision. See here, the first method, analogous estimation, based on the past project, the historical project, the previous project with similar scope and complexity. Number two technique of early estimate is parametric estimation. Uses statistical models and historical data to calculate cost and time. And third is bottom-up estimation. That is break down the project into task and estimate the efforts for each individual. And last and number four is expert judgment. They leverage the expert of experienced professional to provide the estimation. Now we have two different types of the objective of early estimation to predict the approximate project cost, to estimate time and resource, to reduce the financial risk, and to support the project planning and approval. See, these are the main methods and techniques of early estimation. The analog estimation, top down estimation. See here, the first is analog. That is the top down estimation based on the similar past project and use historical data. Clear? And what are the advantages? Fast and simple, required less data. And limitation of that is less accuracy and dependent on the similarity and expert judgment. Number two, parametric estimation. Use statistical relationship between the variables. Cost is calculated using the parameters. Okay. For example, the cost per sensor, total sensors, estimate the cost, right? And what are the advantage of parametric estimation? The more accurate than analog, repeatable and scalable. And what are the limitation of parametric estimation? Required reliable historical data. Now, discuss about this expert judgment estimation done by the experienced engineer or manager, senior engineer or senior manager. Technique. use Delphi techniques and panel discussion. That is very useful in the panel discussion. Some senior and experienced person discuss with panel and then calculate the early estimation. Okay. These are the some main techniques. Now we have to discuss about the estimation checklist and documentation. The first as estimate checklist is the systematical list of items that ensure all cost components are considered before finalizing the estimate. See here the scope, define the scope of the project, ensure it addressed to the checklist. What are the tasks? List all project tasks, dependency, expected duration. What are the resources? That is also checklist. Identify the resources required, including the personal, equipment, and material. What is assumption? The document the assumption made in the course of estimation. Okay. See, the typical estimate checklist is project scope early defined, design complexity, technology used, standard and codes. These are the technical factor. What is the cost factor? Material cost, labor cost, equipment and tool cost, software license cost, testing and commissioning. And third is important is the time factor, project duration, resource availability, and scheduled constraints. And what is the risk factor? Inflation, market price variation, technical risk, environmental risk. These are the risk factor. What are the administrative factor also consider? Like the documentation cost, travel, training, and overhead charges, right? And the now we'll discuss the documentation. The meaning that the estimation documentation is a writing record explaining how estimate were prepared, assumption used, data sources, calculation different methods. That is a documentation, the standard SOP like that. And what are the content need by the estimation documentation? The project description, scope statement, estimation method used, cost breakdown structure, assumption and contents, risk allowances, and approval signature. These are the covered in the documentation process. And some important like the reference for the future project, transparency, that is also one document, audit and review, that is very important audit, right? Now we'll discuss the next that the project budget and design budgets. That is very important. Here, see here, analyze the cost, number one, negotiate cost with supplier, number three is estimated your revenue, know your gross profit margin, project cash flow, factor is essential and industry trends, set spending goals, and bring it all together. Now the project budget is, what is the meaning of project budget? The project budget is the total approved financial plan for executing the entire project from the starting to completion. And what are the component of project budget? Design cost, material cost, labor and manpower, equipment and tools, installation, commissioning, decommissioning, testing and quality control, factory acceptance test, industry acceptance test, customer acceptance test, right? And continuous reverse. administrative and overhead cost. And what types of project budgets? The fixed budget, that is a mandatory budget. Flexible budget, it may be an increase or decrease. And rolling budget. These are the types of project budget. Now, in the important thing is that project budget, the control, cost control, financial planning, performance measurement, and prevent the overspending. Okay. Now we'll discuss about the designing budget. Who will be design the budget? A design budget is the allocated cost specifically for a design related activity of a project. Clear? What is a design budget? A design budget is a allocated cost specifically for design related activity of a project. In the design budget includes conceptual design, that is a detail engineering design, drawing and schematic, simulation analysis, software, design review, right? And design software tools. Okay. Now we'll discuss what are the comparison between project budget and design budget, scope, duration, cost, and control focus, right? These are the some aspect to compare that. Now, the last is what is a conclusion about that? The early estimate provides financial direction. Checklists ensure the complete and accurate estimate, and documentation support clarity and accountability. And project and design budgeting ensure the successful project completion. Thank you.